Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am turning some chainsaw file handle. I'm going to show you how I turn a chainsaw file handle between centers. The blank I'm using is white oak and it's 4.5 by 1 1/4. I'm going to turn it between centers and shape the handle and install a 1/2 inch copper water pipe ferrule is very common to use. I have pre-made some on my metal lathe by parting off pieces, and I go through a deburring process because if you don't take that burr out of the center, they're not going to fit right. When you measure them, it'll seem like it's tight, but you got to deburr them. So yeah, that's about it. Let's get going on it. Before I do though, I wanted to shout out to a new subscriber, Amy, who inquired about my sanding pad rotating table that I made for the back of my lathe. It goes over the headstock on a robust American Beauty lathe. They supply it with a cast-in pocket for a light bar. It was sold as a articulating light bar, and I didn't ever use it for that. I have my lights arranged off of different arms, and so I found a rod that fit in there, and I came up with some stop collars that fit on the shaft, but any 1/2 inch collar, locking collar, would work for what I got going here. So without any further delay, let's get started. I'm going to show you how I turn a chainsaw file handle.